What's up, everybody? Nick here, co-founder and CEO of Bundle IQ. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on the differences between research mode and writing mode inside of the Alani chat experience. Okay, so what you're looking at here is the Alani chat. You've got the attached data, which are all of your bundles here, your knowledge bases. Then you have the 6 different models that we have available, GPT-4, Mixtral, and the 3 Claude models. And then we have 2 different modes, research mode and writing mode. So when you think about research mode, think about extracting insights from your data. So let's go ahead and, in the spirit of the masters, we're going to click on the Chris Como bundle, which is a bundle. Chris Como is like one of the top golf coaches in the world. And I just came up with this concept, but let's just say that we are going to do a marketing exercise and we're going to make some koozies that we want to hand out at the Masters, but these koozies are all going to have tips on them, like swing tips or something. Okay, so I need like 6 top swing tips for a project I'm working on. Let's say breakdown, or give me 6 tips in, let's say, 1 sentence or less. Each. All right, let's see what happens. So in research mode, you think about this from the perspective of the data, or the AIs going into the bundle, extracting the insights from, in this case, the Chris Como bundle. He's a top golf coach. And then once I get this information, I'll switch it over to writing mode and I'll show you what happens there. And by the way, I'm using the Claude 3 Sonnet model because it's a happy medium between fast and proficient. What I mean by that is that it's a lower latency. It's not as slow as, let's say, GPT-4, but not as fast as something like maybe Haiku or Mixtral. And it's also proficient in that it's intelligible. It has, it's basically smart, but not as smart as Opus and GPT-4. Okay, perfect. So you can see our sources here. If we wanted to look at those, so focus on your hip turn rotation, work on swinging on a shallower path and the downswing, pick 1 or 2 swing thought max to focus on playing, use alignment sticks, Okay, cool. All right, so now we're going to go to writing mode. So I'm going to say, I want to make koozies for my beverage brand. And let's see, it's going to be called swing oil. I just came up with that. And I want to put these tips on the back of koozies. Put a catchy sub-headline on the front and the tips on the back. So let's see what happens. So with the writing mode, it's not going to go into the Chris Como. It's just going to focus on the context window above. Smooth swing, smooth drinks. Back of the koozie. Top swing tips. Focus on your hip turn. Smooth swings, smooth drinks. Okay. All right, so that's basically the exercise. I know it's a little silly, but it's interesting because if I were to just go to ChatGPT, I probably wouldn't get this information. Let's just try that. Let's actually try that and see what happens. Yeah. It's pretty generic. And you can see here, it's way too long. Focus on your hip turn and rotation rather than just your arms. Work on swinging on a shallower path in the downswing. Pick one or two swing thoughts. So you can see this is like asking a coach versus asking the open internet, which is kind of shallow and broad. It's just different. All right, so that's that. And that's the difference between research and writing mode. I hope you all enjoy the masters, and we'll chat soon. Cheers.